Hello everyone. Welcome to Certification Guide. In today's video we will cover part 2 of Salesforce Marketing Associate Dumps. Let's start. 1A Marketing Associate at CloudKicks notices that only half of the targeted recipients of a specific email send job successfully received the email. One of the targeted recipients notifies CloudKicks that they did not receive the email. After checking the subscriber status, which all subscriber list field should the associate check next? A. Subscriber key. B. Date unsubscribed. C. Unsubscribe reason. Answer: A. Next question. 2A Marketing Associate at CloudKicks sends a weekly email campaign about special events to its customers. They want to ensure that customers can opt out of emails if they no longer want to receive this information. How should the associate accomplish this? A. Have customer log into their account and update profile. B. Provide a postal mailing address as a minimum. C. Set up a footer in the email with an unsubscribe link. Answer: C. Next question. 3. Management at CloudKicks wants to engage customers who have redeemed promotion codes on its website. The associate set up a data extension so that subscriber key is the primary key. However, the associate notices that customers who have redeemed more than one promotion code only have one record added into the data extension. What should the associate change to allow more than one record per subscriber key? A. Assign new subscriber keys to each promotion code redemption. B. Assign the email address as the primary key. C. Assign the promotion code field as a second primary key. Answer: C. Next question. 4. The digital marketing associate at Northern Trail Outfitters is looking for self-paced learning content about Journey Builder functionality. Which resource should the associate use? A. Trailhead. B. Salesforce Developer Center. C. Salesforce Help and Training. Answer: A. Next question. 5A Marketing Associate at CloudKicks wants to acquire new email subscribers for the company's new line of next-generation footwear. What should the associate utilize? A. Purchase a list. B. Target current employees. C. Utilize web sign-ups. Answer: C. Next question. 6. Northern Trail Outfitters created a new team to oversee its marketing strategy. They want a way to categorize content by any criteria: marketing tactic, geography, and product line. What should an associate recommend? A. Enable content tags. B. Create custom folder permissions. C. Organize folders alphabetically. Answer: A. Next question. 7A Marketing Associate at Northern Trail Outfitters wants to confirm a possible marketing cloud engagement outage before escalating. What should the associate reference? A. Salesforce Trust Site. B. Trailblazer Community. C. Salesforce Help and Training. Answer: A. Before going to next question, please subscribe the channel. Next question. 8A Marketing Associate at CloudKicks has just activated their first journey. The second email in the journey contains a discount code and is scheduled to be sent the following morning. Due to an issue with the vendor, the codes will be unavailable for 2 days. How should the associate proceed? A. Update the wait activity in the journey to the correct date. B. Pause the journey and restart it when codes are active. C. Stop the journey and restart it when codes are active. Answer: B. Next question. 9. According to GDPR principles, what is a company allowed to do after collecting personal data from a client? A. Sell the information to other companies for marketing purposes. B. Contact the client in order to keep their personal data up to date. C. Retain client information after the client requests termination of the relationship. Answer: B. Next question. 10. Northern Trail Outfitters wants to add new records to a data extension while retaining existing records during an import process. What should an associate use when importing data into a marketing cloud engagement data extension? A. Overwrite. B. Add and update. C. Add only. Answer: B. Next question. 11. CloudKicks wants to ensure it has the highest quality contact information for newly acquired email signups. Which method helps to minimize bad data? A. Mobile SMS keyword opt-in confirmation. B. Double opt-in confirmation. C. Smart capture opt-in confirmation. Answer: B. Next question. 12. Northern Trail Outfitters is using an IB test in Email Studio to determine which version of its marketing cloud engagement email has the highest click-through rate. How does the A/B test handle the winning condition? A. The system continues to send to both test conditions. B. The system declares a winner of the A/B test and sends to the remaining subscribers. C. The system declares a winner of the AJB test and does not send to the remaining subscribers. Answer: B. Next question. 13. A marketing associate needs to create a criteria-based subset of an audience from another data extension without using structured query language, SQL. Which data extension should the associate use? A. Filtered data extension. B. Standard data extension. C. Random data extension. Answer: A. Next question. 14. Northern Trail Outfitters has many email sends and wants to create a data extension to gather this information. Which template type will generate the email send in the data extension? A. Reports. B. Send logging. C. Data view. Answer: B. Next question. 15. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, wants to ensure that stale commerce data is cleared from Marketing Cloud engagement. NTO requires that the abandoned cart data only be held for 7 days. Which feature should the marketing associate use to meet this requirement? A. Data retention policy. B. Send relationship. C. Contact delete. Answer: A. 16. Which CAN spam requirements should a marketing associate be aware of in regard to unsubscribing from commercial emails? A. Providing a mechanism that does not require a subscriber to log in to unsubscribe. B. Requiring the subscriber to complete a survey before allowing them to unsubscribe. C. Mandating subscribers to provide a reason for opting cut before allowing them to unsubscribe. Answer: A. In I button, you will see the Part 1 of Salesforce Marketing Associate Dumps. Please go and watch the Part 1. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our channel.